This is a one-owner 2021 Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD off-road. The 6-foot bed. It has 6 cylinders with 3.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this Toyota a score of 93 out of 95 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage done to it. It does have the towing package. According to some online sources, this Toyota can pull between 3,500 pounds and 6,000. It depends on how well equipped it is. Here is an outlet. Convenient location. There's your TRD off-road. It has aluminum alloy rims with oversized tires. And you have a lifted a leveling kit down on it as well installed. Let's go ahead and go inside. The interior is a black leather in excellent condition. There are no rips or tears, stains anywhere. And this middle window is a power window, so you can slide that open if you would like. The driver's seat is power, but the passenger seat up here is manually adjusted. Go ahead and get inside. Your navigation screen is where your backup camera is. And then you have dual climate control. And you have the ability to charge your phone here. There's your 12-volt port. Your rear, let me back up a little bit. That's how you control the rear window. You have blind spot monitoring. Then there's your 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. Controls your push button start. There are no caution or warning lights on. You have your cruise control. Lane departure warning, collision alert. Audio and volume controls. And then over here you have your traction control. There's a light for the truck bed. And then that's the control for the outlet in the back of the truck bed as well. There's your power locks and your power windows. This is also equipped with a sunroof. And then there's your terrain, your sunroof controls as well. And this is equipped with Apple CarPlay. If you're looking for a 4-wheel drive truck to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Toyota Tacoma out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.